Right, done. Okay, let's get into our positions and carry out an experiment to find the value of G using a simple pendulum. Right, on the board there, we have a setup of the apparatus that we are going to use. Right, let's set up the apparatus as shown. Measure the length of the bulb from the center of the bulb. Measure the length from the center of the bulb. Philip, measure the length from the center of the bulb. Set up the apparatus. Lisa, set up the apparatus quickly and measure the length from the center of the bulb. Measure the time for 10 oscillations. Three seven. Is it 3714? 37. Right, now that you are through with the readings, let's do the calculations. Speak up, speak up. Right, we now have a complete table. Plot these values for L, plot them as accurately as you can on the graph table. Right, let's suppose that our graph becomes a straight line like that. Right, when you plotted your points here, remember to try to find the line. Right, root L over G. Right, we get 4 pi squared M over our Y value, and L becomes our X value. Right, remember, our aim is to find the value of G. How do we get it there? From this equation and from the equation of the straight line. What's the relationship? 4 pi squared. 4 pi squared over G. That's the beautiful G that you want. Is it beautiful? Send some of it. Why should we say it's beautiful?
4 pi squared over gradient.
Right, that would be 4 pi squared over. Right, let's help each other to plot the graph.
For L,
For planet Earth, huh? Right, what are we expecting? What value do we expect? Somewhere between 9 and 10. If we get 15, 20, 30, that will be for another planet. Wow, underline that answer. The acceptable range?
yes.
It is between 9 and 10, but it's not exactly 9.8. Right, give us the possible experimental errors.
Reaction time.
Whose reaction time? Right, remember this
Rounding off
rounding off errors affect our value for G. But within experimental error, this value, so we are small Einsteins. Do you agree?
Yes.
I've never seen a female Einstein. So we are Mrs. Einsteins and Newtons. Okay, but within experimental error, our value is acceptable. Right, any queries? No queries. Right, thank you for the experiment.